Here we have two green sewer jetting trucks known as the Pios Hulk. The name Hulk is fitting as these trucks combine advanced equipment designed by Pios with a state-of-the-art truck made by MAN. They are used for cleaning clogged sewer lines through high-pressure water hoses and sewer jetting nozzles, providing effective flushing and thrusting actions. Railway tracks are often built far from roads, making it time-consuming to transport necessary equipment to construction sites. Coma's firm has solved this problem with a unique road rail welding vehicle. It features a dual undercarriage system that allows it to run on both roads and railway tracks. The vehicle is equipped with a welding unit that joins two rails using flash butt welding. Although the concept appears simple, it saves both time and money. Introducing the STX Horse Truck, a luxurious transport vehicle for horses. The entire truck is air-conditioned and provides a cozy space for up to 4 horses. Horses can relax on padded floors and enjoy their favorite food from the truck's storage. The truck is used to transport sport horses, such as champions of show jumping and polo. Additionally, the front part of the truck includes a shower, kitchen, laundry, television, and a double bed for the driver, offering comfort to all passengers. The first MAN sighting emerged after 18 months of effort. These beautiful electric trucks are built for city cargo delivery. The switch from diesel engines to electric batteries greatly influenced the truck's design. As a result, the MAN sight is lower in height, consuming less energy when loading the container. The cab is packed with features for driver convenience. For instance, the driver can view the gross weight of the load on a screen. A bird's-eye view camera allows constant monitoring. The truck covers 100 kilometers on a full charge. In road construction, spreading aggregate is a time-consuming task. However, the Boral Truck simplifies this process. It only needs to be filled once, and its computer-controlled spreader unit delivers aggregate with 100% accuracy, ultimately saving time and money. The machine offers a working width of 2.5 meter to 3.6 meter and is suitable for gravel aggregates ranging from 4 millimeter to 14 millimeter. The Volvo Vera, a fully autonomous truck without a driving cab, represents the next generation of transportation. Operators will monitor and manage it from a control room. While details about its internal technology are scarce, it's designed to travel on predetermined routes for local cargo delivery. Next, we have water trucks designed and built by AAG, suitable for transporting and supplying water in road construction. To refill, simply bring them near any open water source. With a powerful suction pump, these trucks can refill 18,000 liters of water in 6 minutes. The AMAG trucks can spray water up to 12 meters directly from the driver's cab, allowing precise water dosing in areas like tapering streets, driveways, and repair lots. The Iride Teapod looks like a truck from the future. It is fully autonomous, with no cab for a driver. This freight truck transports cargo delivered by planes. The shape of the Iride Teapod is designed for aerodynamics, with round edges reducing air pressure. This lowers fuel consumption without shrinking the container. Using the Iride Teapod boosts productivity by 200%. And its battery engineering significantly cuts carbon emissions. Above all, it transports cargo more securely. The Nikola Tray shines like a future truck from every angle. Its 50 kilowatts electric motor provides instant RPM, running 2x faster than a standard truck. It has a 750 kilowatt-hours storage capacity, traveling up to 300 miles on a single charge. Safety features include advanced driver assistance, regenerative brakes, air braking that stops the truck in under 10 milliseconds, and digital mirror cameras for additional visibility. In the future, vehicles will use clean energy from hydrogen fuel or batteries. Transporters prefer hydrogen fuel for its power and quick refueling. For example, the Nikola 2, which can travel 900 miles with a continuous 645 horsepower on a full tank of hydrogen fuel. Refueling takes less than 20 minutes, faster than batteries. However, the scarcity of hydrogen stations is a significant challenge. The Kenworth T680 is arguably the most stylish truck globally. Its bold, innovative design complements urban life and offers aerodynamic advantages. The driver's cabin is equipped with premium technology, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, side object detection, and collision mitigation. It has a 510 horsepower engine, producing 1,850 pound-feet of torque. The Daimler Future Truck 25 is the world's first autonomous truck, unveiled at the IAA in 2014. This magnificent truck has LED lights giving it a futuristic look. Unlike typical automated vehicles, the Daimler Future Truck 25 doesn't require additional internet support. It uses portable tablets instead of standard display screens, allowing the driver to monitor and control the vehicle. With technological advancements, it's hoped these trucks will be driverless by 2025. Kuipers has been transporting containers using Volvo FMX trucks for years. These trucks can deliver multiple containers at once. The Volvo FMX, with its 522 horsepower engine and I-shift transmission, can tow 4 trailers and pull 8 containers simultaneously. Each trailer features an automatic coupling mechanism for driver convenience, allowing the driver to mount or dismount containers from the cab. Tesla is renowned for pioneering self-driving and electric vehicles. In 2017, they unveiled the unique autonomous electric truck, Semi. Elon Musk revealed that a fully loaded Semi can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 20 seconds, even with an 80,000 pounds payload. Enhanced autopilot aids in collision avoidance, a centered driver position ensures maximum visibility and control, and a low center of gravity protects against rollovers. The Semi's energy consumption is the lowest at 2 kilowatt-hours per mile, truly an engineering marvel. Meet another engineering marvel completed in 5 years. Its makers claim it's the world's most efficient Freightliner truck, aptly named Freightliner Super Truck. It travels 12.2 miles on a single gallon, 50% more than current trucks. This efficiency is due to the truck's boiler and expansion machine, which reuse lost engine heat. Aerodynamically designed, it also features cameras and sensors all around. Surprisingly, its chassis is 700 pounds lighter than a typical tractor frame.